camera makes it seem like it's super bright in the background. Alright, there we go. So I've been living in Florida for about a week. Going to get my car tuned finally. I'm actually going to help this guy work on a little bit of cars, and he's going to give me a discounted rate for it.
Turn left onto Dallas Boulevard.
So basically stock, I made 333. I'm really interested to see what I'm going to make now. In a second, because I got to turn, I will tell you the list of mods I have, and then the next thing you'll know, it'll be dyno time. The last time I had a dyno, all there was is the SLP muffler and the SLP lid. Now I have the bigger throttle body, the SL2 intake manifold, I have the EGR delete, secondary air delete, stuff like that, small stuff. And then I got the new cam, which is the, I believe it's pronounced Torture V4. New oil pump. I got new lifters, push rods, still the same rockers. I got Texas Speed Performance 1 7/8 headers. What else do I got? Ah, stupid. Guys, stop it. Right now I have my tune on it. Somehow made it drivable. The manual transmission. Non-horsepower related, I have rear lower controlling arms and the panhard bar. I feel like I'm like right in this camera and I'm holding it as far away as I can. But that's basically the list of mods now. Oh, I did get the what's called the girdle for the differential, and I upgraded from 273 to 373 gears. And I also have the bigger tires on, 28 by 10.5. And 799 heads. I can't believe I almost forgot that. That's a big one. So I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes, and you'll see her ripping. Alright guys, it's a little warm, but we're doing this. Car's all strapped up, and we're just doing a couple minor things, trying to get the idle belt right. And then we're all set. It'll be going in no time. So I'm working with this guy right now. His name is Justin. Backyard garage, or backyard dyno. And he's got a couple little projects he's doing in an LS Jeep. And then there's my car right here. Sorry, it's so close. This camera zooms in so far. We haven't got any numbers yet, but like I said, it was making 330 stock, so. Okay, so I switched back to the GoPro. I love that other camera, but it's just so zoomed in. I don't know what's going on with it. I got to figure out, and I got to mess with the ISO because it was super bright. But I did make an outro for the video. I'm actually editing it right now. So we made 340 horsepower, which I'm not happy with because I just spent a lot of money and a lot of time working on the car. But we had a fueling issue. I don't know if it was a bad map or a bad math, but we got it pretty good. And on the top end, instead of the 60 psi, fuel pressure was dropping down to 50, and the injectors were reading like 100%. I think it was like 98, 97. So I don't know if I've ever actually made the video, because this was like a few months ago. I'm just getting the thing here since I moved to Florida, so there's other mods that are being taken care of now and are just now getting resolved. I'm actually going to Dyno next week. That video will be posted who the hell knows when, but I'm getting back into things. I'm recording more again, and there'll be videos once a week minimum. Please subscribe. But I made 340. We fixed the issues. Now it's good for fueling. Now we're going to add the timing. And when I go to the dyno again, I'm hoping for minimum 400. I would love to see 450, but I mean, I'm the person that I want to aim high. I'm okay with being let down. But it will easily make 400 horsepower. I know for a fact it will. So, until next time, guys, thank you for watching the Dammit YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share the video if you like it.